Hello and welcome to the Truth as It Is. Today we will be speaking about a very controversial topic, and it is about Mr. Vladimir Putin, because many people do not know that Putin is actually dead. Many people, actually not many people, but very few people are able to discern when a person is alive or dead. One of those people is Mr. Jose Fuentes, who is a Mexican-American psychic, and he has said that Putin is not actually alive, but dead. It is said that, or there have been rumors that Putin had blood cancer or prostate cancer, and also he had Parkinson's disease, and so he had actually a very high number of diseases, and many people do not know that there is technology that the secret or intelligence agencies have the capacity to create clones. They did the same with, for example, with Paul McCartney from the Beatles. He said that he died in the 1960s, and the person you see right now is not him, because the original one was left-handed and this one is not, it's right-handed. The chin is different, the face, etc., etc. The same thing has occurred with Putin, and even now there is more technology to create a clone from a person, and the Illuminati, or however you want to call them, have had the ability since long ago to create the clones of a variety of people. And in this case, it did not benefit them that Putin died, so they just kept him alive. You have to be aware that even Putin is said to be a KGB spy, and this is public information. But what is not so public is that he also was an MI6 spy. According to Richard Tomlinson, Putin worked with him for the MI6 in a Royal Ark Freemasonry project called Royal Genome, and there is information that in that project his zygotes or sperm or genetic information was cloned, and it is possible that the elites or intelligence agencies have technology to or capacity to do such stuff. Not only that, but there has been a lot of rumors, and many intelligence officers have said that Putin is not alive. For example, one intelligence officer from Ukraine has said that they probably kept him alive for many months to make it look like that he's still there, but it's only not to create a fuss in Russia, to not create chaos, and simply they want the figure of Putin to stay there. And even an MI6 spy has said that Putin is actually not alive, and there is a lot of misinformation on YouTube about Putin, saying that Putin is a good person, and so many of these people are just misinforming people, because Putin is just like any other spy, like Trump or any other. Putin is not good, Trump is not good, they are all the same, they all work for the same people, so do not believe the QAnon or whatever the name is saying that Putin is good and all that stuff, because it's not true. So now you know that Putin is not alive. He died of probably cancer and Parkinson's. That he was a spy. That it's possible that they looked for a clone, for a double, not necessarily a twin, but it's also possible, just like they did with many public figures. And you have to understand that these figures are just figures. They do not represent something more. They are just there to manipulate people, to create a kind of psychological operation on people. This was all implemented since long ago by the Freemasons in Tavistock, England, in the Tavistock Institute for Mind Control, and this is how the Illuminati, or however you want to call them, control people, and it's through mind control. And this is the only purpose of Putin, to control the mind of people and to keep people entertained, thinking that he's a good person, that he is alive. And many of these people that keep glorifying the figure of Putin, millions and millions of people on the internet do not know that he's actually dead since now almost 1 or 2 years ago. So do not pay attention to these people, and keep in mind that it is possible that many of these public figures are not actually alive, and they're just a figure. Thank you.